What's up? I'm Justin.
I'm Sergio.
And we're here at JEEPERSDEN in Orlando, Florida. It's a little wet today, but it's been a wonderful weekend so far, but we're getting ready for the 20th anniversary of Jeep Beach coming up next week in Daytona. So we actually got Sergio just got this Gladiator. How long ago?
About 3 weeks, maybe 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, so what we're gonna do is we finally got the winch installed on this Fab 4 stubby bumper. And so we're just gonna get the final touches and get our 1.0 Fairlead and our UltraHook on there and get Jeep Beach prep.
We'll be Jeep Beach ready. So once our Factor 55 Fairlead is installed, now we go to the final bling bling of Jeep Beach right here. Nice and red.
Tell me I'm the one, take me closer.
This is what I have to work with. We want to give a big shout out to Ricky and JEEPERSDEN, and thanks for letting us come in here and do this install. You want to check out more from the Warren family of brands. We'll be at Jeep Beach this year for the 20th anniversary. You can come by and check out the Warren winches, all the Factor 55 product, Fab 4 accessories and bumpers, and also Fab Tech suspension.
Yeah, we're gonna have it on the beach at the beginning of the week, and then we'll have it in the booth at the Speedway.
Oh yeah, don't forget to check us out at Jeeps at the Rock, leading up to the beach games.
Yep.
All the different activities we got. We're gonna have
We're gonna have volleyball, we're gonna have tug of wars, you're gonna have one of our big Factor 55 ropes, so you're gonna have to pull through, and
you guys gotta check that out, man, the industrial stuff that we're gonna have to there. So again, man, we just wanna thank Ricky and JEEPERSDEN for having us here today, be able to get this down. So come by, check us out at the booth at the show, and you can see just how easy it is to install this to make not only your Jeep look better, but also so you have a way better experience and you're safer in the backcountry and on the trails.
see you on the beach.